Good morning, students. Good morning, all. How are you, students? So, students, this is your English class, isn't it? So, get ready with your English textbook. Students, get ready. This is your English text class. Yes, in the last class we started the story The Milkman's Cow, isn't it? So today we would be continuing the story The Milkman Cow. In the previous class we saw that the milkman's cow was not in a good mood. Good morning, students. So in the previous class we started the story The Milkman's Cow, and there we saw that the milkman's cow was not in a good mood, and he was not ready to move from his place. It sat in the middle of the road and it refused to move from there, and the milkman was pleading, milkman was requesting. Yes, very good morning, Shaurya, Srijita, Shubhayan. Yes, Tanushree, very good morning. Now listen to the class. So the milkman was trying his best to make the cow move from his place. And why? Because the children were waiting for milk. Milk is very important, very good for our health, and children were waiting for the milk, and milkman was trying, he was requesting, he was pleading. Shubhangi, switch up your camera. So now come to the next page. It is page number 98. Students, Marigold book, page number 98. And when the milkman was trying, then came a polishman. He also tried his best, but he told that it was a very easy task and he can do it easily. But what happened next? Today we will know that. So page number 98, students, English Marigold book. The polishman and the milkman pulled and tugged and prayed. So milkman and the polishman both, they together, they were pulling, they were tugging, they were praying. But the cow was not going anywhere that day. That means the cow was not moving at all. Along came a grocer with bags of potatoes and peas. So at that time, who came? Students, answer me. At that time, who came? Do first, answer me. Who came at that place? A grocer came, and the grocer came with bags of potatoes. Yes. Ritamanus, first one. Shubhanga, then second. Now the grocer, yes, Ritamanus. The grocer came with bags of potatoes and peas. He said, I will move this cow with the greatest of ease. That means the grocer said that it was very easy to move the cow from its place and he could do it easily. So he said, I will move this cow with the greatest of ease. The grocer, the polishman, the milkman, how many people? The grocer, the polishman, the milkman, pulled and tugged and prayed. But the cow was not going anywhere that day. Along came a wrestler. his muscles gleaming in the sun. Then who came? A wrestler, okay, and his muscle was gleaming, okay. The gleaming, that means his muscles, his muscle was so strong, he looks so strong. He said, I have the strength of 10 horses, so this should be fun. So the wrestler said that he could able to move 10 horses. So it was very easy for him to move one cow, okay. So it was like a fun work for him. The wrestler, now how many people are there? 4 people. The wrestler, the grocer, the policeman and the milkman. Yes, yes, yes. So they all pulled and tugged and prayed. That means the 4 people, they were also trying their best. But now come to page number 99. But the cow was not going anywhere that day. That means again they failed. Along came the ice cream man, jingling his cart. Cool down, it can't be too hard. Then who came? Then came, yes, Shaurya, ice cream man, okay, the ice cream man came. He was jingling his cart. You know, when an ice cream cart is going, a jingling sound is, we can hear a jingling sound. Why? The bell was ringing, isn't it? So, and he said, cool down, it can't be too hard. So he said, wait, it's not a hard work, it's too easy, wait. Why? He said, because the ice cream man saw 4 people were pulling, were tugging. So the ice cream man thought, it is too easy. He thought that it was too easy. So he said, cool down, okay, it's so easy. The ice cream man, the wrestler, the grocer, the policeman and the milkman. Now 5 people, okay, they pulled and tugged. They were trying, 5 people were trying. But the cow was not going anywhere that day. But they also failed, okay. Along came a little boy. He began to grin. At that time, who came? A little boy. Who came? A little boy. Yes, Shaurya, a little boy. Not only a boy, a little boy. Okay. He began to grin. Okay, that means he was smiling. He said, these grown-ups, look at the mess they are in. Okay, so the little boy, when he saw they were trying, they were pulling, and he was smiling, and he told, look what the mess they are doing. Okay, look at the mess they are in. It is not such a difficult problem. I learned in the 2nd class. So the little boy told, look at the grown-ups. Okay, they don't know how to move the cow. I have learned it from second standard. Okay, so it's not such a difficult problem. According to the boy, it was so easy. And look at the grown-ups, they don't know what kind of mess they are doing. So I learned in the 2nd class that human beings eat rice and wheat and cows eat grass. The little boy was smiling, were grinning. Why? The little boy was smiling, grinning. Why? Because he told that in the 2nd class, he learned that man eat rice, wheat and cow eat grass. Okay, so it is so easy. He held out a sheaf of tasty green. Okay, the cow began to chew. He slowly laid her to the side. So you can see from the picture that the boy offered a sheaf of tasty green. That means grass, type of grass. Okay, as he offered, the cow began to chew. Why? Because grass was favorite to the cow. That's why the cow began to chew, and then he slowly laid her to the side, for he knew what to do. That means he was intelligent enough. Okay. The grocer clapped. Okay. The policeman twirled his stick in joy. Okay. The wrestler grinned. The ice cream man whooped at the cleverness of the boy. The milkman happily clattered his pail. Okay. Being kind and loving is best, for force and strength can fail. So when the boy got success to move the cow from its place, then all were happy. Okay. The grocer clapped, the policeman twirled his stick in joy, the wrestler grinned, the ice cream man whooped, and the milkman happily clattered his pail. Pail, you know, the tub. So, at the end of the story, what we learned? We learned that grinned smiled. Okay. Okay, grinning means smiling. So, grinned smiled. What is the moral of this story? That what we learned, what lesson we have learned from this story? We learned that being kind and loving is best, for force and strength can fail. That means with love and with kindness we can win any situation. We can win anyone's heart. Where applying force or strength can fail. But if we do any work, if you want to make someone work, so we should be kind and we should be lovable to him or her. Okay. So being kind and loving is best, for force and strength can fail. In our practical life also, students, you will observe that if you talk with someone kindly and with love, if you behave with love to your friend or to the people around you, all the people they become happy and they always love you. That means spreading love. Okay, if you spread love, you will get love in return also. And always be kind. Okay, and show love and respect to others. Okay, and the boy showed that thing, okay, clearly. Now students, come to page number 101. Today we will do the question answer part. So get ready. The first question, why did, students get ready, why did the cow refuse to get up? Can you see the board? Oh no. Can you see? Yes. The milkman's cow. So you can see, okay. The first question, why did the cow refuse to get up? Number 1. Yes. The cow was in a bad mood. So it refused. To get up. Very easy answer. The cow was in a bad mood, so it refused to get up. Okay. Used to get up and sat in the middle of the road. Okay, now next question, number 2. Name those who try to make the cow move. The milkman, okay, the policeman, okay, then who came? The grocer, then who came? The wrestler, the ice cream man, the question was name those who tried to make the cow move. Okay, students, actually that the little boy also tried to make the cow move. So we can add the little boy also. Okay, the ice cream man and the little boy. Okay, ice cream man and a little boy. You can write the little boy also. Tried to make the cow move. Okay, now number 3. Students, can you see the board? Show your response. Can you see the board properly? Can you? Okay, Shubhanga. Number 3. Okay, Srijita and Tanishtha. Okay. If you write, look at the board. If you write a milkman, a policeman, a grocer, a wrestler, an ice cream man, that is also correct. If you write the milkman, that is also correct. A milkman, that is also correct. Okay. Now, who finally made the cow get up and how? A little boy. Who finally made the cow get up and how? Can you answer me? Tell me. A little boy or the little boy made the cow get up, or you can the little boy hold out a sheaf of tasty green. Okay. A little boy or the little boy. The little boy offered a sheaf of tasty green. You can write hold out. Okay. Offered the cow a sheaf of tasty green. Offered the cow a sheaf of tasty green, and the cow began to chew. the cow began to chew, he slowly laid her laid her to the side. Okay. Thus he finally made the cow get up. Okay, the little boy offered the cow a sheaf of tasty green. As the cow began to chew, he slowly laid her to the side. Thus, he finally made the cow get up. Shurodeep, why? Shurodeep, this is not a chatting class. What is this? Please start the call. Who will call you? Shomili, call has already started. Who is calling? Shurodeep, this is your English class. Stop sending this kind of emoji. And Shomili, don't respond. Okay. So, I repeat. Why did the cow refuse to get up? The cow was in a bad mood, so it refused to get up and sat in the middle of the road. Right, students? Is the answer easy? Students, the answer is easy. Okay, now the next question. Name those who tried to make the cow move. How many people were trying? Can you tell me the number? How many people were trying? Can you tell me the number? Is it 5, Tanushree? Srijita, Shubhanga, Shomili? Your answer is, the number is 6. Now finally tell me, the number is 5 or 6? Final answer. How many people tried? Okay. Give me the final answer. Yes, 6 people. The first one, milkman. Okay. Then a policeman. Okay. Then who came after policeman? A grocer. Then a wrestler. Okay. Then an ice cream man, then a little boy. So how many people? 6 people were there. Isn't it? Students, can you see? Okay. So name those who tried to make the cow move. The milkman, the policeman, the grocer, the wrestler, the ice cream man and a little boy tried to make the cow move. Yes, Shubhanga, 6 people. Yes, all the answers are correct. Shoham. Okay, now the next question is, who finally made the cow get up and how? Who finally made the cow get up and how? The boy, isn't it? The little boy. Okay, the little boy. And how? We have to answer how. The little boy offered the cow a sheaf of tasty green. Okay, as the cow began to chew, he slowly laid her to the side. Thus, he finally made the cow get up. Okay. Now, students, I will ask questions and you will answer me as fast as you can. Acha, tell me, students, tell me the name of the people and tell me the name of the person who sells ice cream. Srijita, you already completed. Very nice, very nice. Okay, keep it at home. When the date of submission will be announced, then only think of it. Okay? Yes, Shupratik. Now, the next question is, who keeps law and order? Who? Yes, Shupratik, again you were the first one. Very nice. Then Tanishtha, then hey, Tanishtha, ice cream man. Okay, Ritamanosh, then Shuham. Very good. Shubhanga, yes, Tanishtha. Okay. Very nice, Shomili. Okay. Then Orko Priyo, then Shuham Chakraborty. Very good. Now answer me. Who gives milk? I am asking only who gives milk. Students, let me complete my question. Who gives milk in this book? In this book, what we learned? Who gives milk? Who gives milk? Yes, Shreya, very good. Milkman sells milk, but cow gives milk. Shreya, I'm so happy. Okay, Tanishtha, yes, Shoham. Okay, milkman also milkman also supplies milk, provides milk us. Actually, he sells milk, but the cow gives us milk, isn't it? Okay. But in another way, the answer is correct also. Usually we say milkman gives us milk. That means milkman supplies milk. Okay. Now, next question is, if students, please suggest me, if I want to buy rice, then dal, where shall I go? Where should I go? Yes, we should go to a grocer's place, isn't it? Grocery item these are, no? Okay. Shoham, spelling mistake is there. Okay, now who can tell me cow, the shelter of cow? Give me one word. The shelter of cow. Give me one word. First. Shelter of a cow. Yes. Stable. Oh, no. It is Shubhanga. Yes. Cow shed. Okay. So, students, today up to this. Okay. We will meet in the next one, next class. So, bye students. Did you enjoy this class? How was this class? Okay. Okay. You all students are very good. Okay students, bye bye.